This Halloween, let's bring a little wizarding magic into your home. Transform your space into a mystical world full of mystery, charm, and a hint of spookiness. From enchanted hallways to magical table setups, these Harry Potter-inspired ideas turn ordinary rooms into a world of wonder for fans of all ages. Today, we'll explore 3 simple steps: creating magical atmospheres, adding enchanting decorations, and designing a captivating display. Whether you're hosting a themed party or just adding a touch of wizardry to your home, these ideas are simple, creative, and full of Halloween magic. Creating a magical atmosphere. Start by setting the scene. Think about the mood you want to create. Dim lighting, flickering glows, and shadowy corners instantly give a magical, mysterious vibe. A little creativity goes a long way in transforming ordinary spaces into enchanted realms. Layer your space with textures, shapes, and soft illumination. Balance bright spots with dark, mysterious corners to create a captivating and immersive feel for anyone entering your home. What's your favorite way to add magic to Halloween? Spooky, whimsical, or mysterious? Share your ideas in the comments below. Now for the fun part, decorating. Focus on whimsical shapes, floating effects, and mysterious details. Add layers of decorations that make people stop and take a closer look. This is where your space truly comes alive. Combine light and shadow, play with scale, and let your imagination guide you. The more layered and thoughtful the design, the more immersive the magical world becomes. Small touches can make the biggest impact. If these Harry Potter-inspired Halloween decor ideas enchanted you, don't forget to like this video and share it with fellow wizarding fans. Once your decorations are in place, focus on the final display. Create focal points that draw attention. Perhaps a glowing centerpiece, a floating element, or a mysterious vignette. Presentation transforms your room into a magical experience. step back and admire your work. The goal is to make the space immersive and magical, a place where anyone entering feels like they've stepped into a spellbinding Halloween world. And there you have it. Your wizarding-inspired Halloween decor is complete. With imagination, creativity, and a little bit of Halloween magic, ordinary spaces can transform into mystical, enchanting environments. Every glowing accent, floating shape, and mysterious corner adds to the magic of the season. For more magical Halloween decorating ideas, DIY projects, and themed inspiration, make sure to subscribe and join us for more wizarding fun. So this Halloween, let your creativity soar, embrace the magic, and enjoy creating a world that's both mysterious and enchanting. Happy haunting, and may your Halloween be spellbinding.